A very good afternoon to all. Here JV and Dr. Nidhi Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is posology. What is posology? What do you mean by posology? Posology derived from the Greek that is posos, how much, and logos, science, is the branch of pharmacology dealing with doses. Dose is the quantitative amount administered or taken by a patient for the intended medicinal effect. The idea being to produce the optimum therapeutic effect in a particular patient with the lowest possible dose. Here drug effect in a population sample, a dose response curve, how majority of individuals responses to the different doses, resistance individuals, sensitive individuals, and increasing response to same dose. Factors affecting drug doses. The familiar bell-shaped curve shows that in a normal distribution of a patient, a drug's usual dose will provide an average effect in the majority of individuals. In a portion of the patients, the drug will produce little effect, resistance individuals. In another group of similar size, the drug will produce an effect greater than the average effect, that is sensitive individuals. So the drug's usual dose would be the starter dose for an individual taking the drug for the first time. Then the physician may increase or decrease subsequent doses to meet the requirements of his patient. Factors affecting drug doses are age, body weight, body surface area, sex, pathological state, tolerance, drug-drug interactions, time of administration, route of administration, pharmaceutical doses, form, and drug physical state. Is newborn infants, that is pediatric, are abnormally sensitive to certain drugs because of the immature state of their hepatic and renal function, by which drugs are inactivated and eliminated from the body. Failure to detoxify and eliminate drugs results in their accumulation in the tissues to a toxic level. The decline in renal and hepatic function in the elderly may show drugs clearance and increases the possibility of drug accumulation in the body and subsequent toxicity. Elderly individuals may also respond abnormally to the usual amount of a drug because of changes in drug receptor sensitivity or because of age-related alterations in target tissues and organs. Various rules of doses in which the pediatric dose was a fraction of the adult dose. Rule, Young's rules, Cowling's rule, Freud's rule for infant age formula. In this less than 2 years adult dose into age plus 2 more than 2 years adult dose age at next birth in years 24 infants more than 1 year adult dose age in months 150. Body weight. The official usual doses for drugs are considered suitable for 70 kg individuals. The ratio between the amount of drug administered and the size of the body influences the drug concentration at the site of action. Therefore, drug doses may require adjustment from the usual adult dose for abnormally lean or obese patients. To calculate the dose of a drug for children based on body weight. The determination of drug doses for children on the basis of body weight is more dependable than that based on age. Clark's rule, dose for a child is equal to adult dose multiply weight in lb divided by 150 average weight of adult in lb. Body surface area. A close relation exists between a large number of physiological processes and body surface area, that is BSA. The surface area of individuals may be determined from a nomogram composed of scales of height, weight and surface area. Two such nomograms are presented, one for adults and one for children. Surface area is indicated where a straight line drawn to connect the height and weight of an individual intersects the surface area column. To calculate the dose of a drug for children based on body surface area as related to weight. Many physicians believe that doses for children should be based upon body surface area, since the correct doses of drugs seems more proportional to the surface area. Approximate dose for child is equal to adult dose multiplied by BSA of child in meter square 1.73 meter square in bracket average adult BSA. If the dose per meter square is given, approximate dose for child, dose per meter square into BSA of child in meter square. Now sex, women are more susceptible to effects of certain drugs than are men. Pregnant women and nursing mothers should use medications only with the advice and under the guidance of their physician. Examples of drugs that are transported from the maternal to the fetal circulation, for example, alcohol, anesthetic gases, barbiturates, anticoagulants, etc. Because of the undeveloped drug detoxification and excretion mechanisms present in the fetus, concentrations of drugs may reach a higher level in the fetus than in the maternal circulation. The transfer of drugs from the mother to the nursing infant through human milk may occur with various drugs, with the drug effects becoming manifest in the infant. Now, pathological state, the effects of certain drugs may be modified by the pathological condition of the patient and must be considered in determining the dose. Warning and precautions are used in the drug labeling to alert the physician to certain restrictions in the use of a particular drug. What are the precautions and what are the warning? So first of all, precaution is used to advise the prescriber of some possible problems attendant with the use of the drug. It is less restrictive than warning. Example, the use of tetracycline antibiotic may result in overgrowth of fungi. In such a case, the physician may prescribe an alternate drug. Now warning, it is used when the potential for patient harm is greater than in instances in which the precaution is used. For example, if tetracycline is used in the presence of renal impairment, it may lead to accumulation of the drug and possible liver toxicity. So lower than usual doses are indicated. If therapy is prolonged, blood serum levels of the drug should be taken and the patient monitored at regular intervals to assure the maintenance of non-toxic levels of the drug. Now, what are the contraindications? A term that used to indicate an absolute prohibition to the use of a drug in the presence of certain stated conditions. It is the most restrictive of the warnings which limits the use of drugs. Tolerance, the ability to endure the influence of a drug, particularly when acquired by a continued use of the substance. Tolerance occurs commonly in such drugs, for example, antihistaminics, narcotic analgesic. Normal sensitivity may be regained by suspending the drug administration for a period of time. The development of tolerance can be minimized by initiating therapy with the lowest effective dose and avoiding prolonged administration. Drug-drug interactions. The effects of a drug may be modified by the concurrent administration of another drug. These drug-drug interactions are due to chemical or physical interaction between drugs or alteration of the absorption, distribution, metabolism or excretion patterns of one of the drugs. The effects of drug-drug interactions may be beneficial and detrimental. Now, time of administration. The time at which a drug is administered sometimes influences doses. This is especially true for oral therapy in relation to meals. Absorption proceeds more rapidly if the stomach and upper portions of the intestinal tract are free of food, and an amount of a drug that is effective when taken before a meal may be ineffective if administered during or after eating. Irritating drugs are better tolerated by the patient if food is present in the stomach to dilute the drug's concentration. Route of administration. Drug administered intravenously enter the bloodstream directly and thus the full amount of administered is present in the blood. In contrast, drugs administered orally are rarely fully absorbed due to the various physical, chemical and biological barriers to their absorption, including interactions with the gastric and intestinal contents. Thus, a lesser parenteral dose of a drug is required than the oral dose to achieve the same blood levels of drug. Pharmaceutical dosage, form and drug physical state. Increasing the surface area of a drug by the reduction of its particle size has a significant effect on the rate of absorption. Therefore, the dose can be minimized by reducing the particle size. Thus, crystalline and amorphous forms of a drug shows a significant difference in the rate of absorption. Measurement concurrence. Liquids 1 cc is equal to 1 ml, 5 ml is equal to 1 tablespoonful, 15 ml is equal to 1 tablespoon, 30 ml 1 oz, 40 ml is equal to 1 pint, 3785 ml is equal to 1 gallon, 3 tablespoon, a teaspoon, 1 table teaspoon, 2 tablespoon is equal to 1 oz, 2 pint is equal to 1 quarter, 4 quarter is equal to 1 gallon, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Abbreviations are given in down. Measurement configuration: solids 1 kg is equal to 2.2 pound, 1 lb is equal to 454 gram, 1 oz is equal to 30 gram and 16 oz is equal to 1 pound. Thank you for listening.